Hi, I'm Ros Healy and I'd like to give you a quick look at a new website we launched recently for Kate Jenkinson at Next Step HR. The website's purpose is to support her LinkedIn activity and give people the opportunity to find out a little bit more about Kate, the services she provides and the benefits of working with her. So firstly, we took Kate's existing vibrant branding design and we fully integrated that into the site design, even down to the smallest detail of the little button that you click to move back up to the top of the page. We've added some dynamic load effects that add interest and movement to the page and make visiting the site generally a more slick and professional experience. We've incorporated clear calls to action throughout the site to easily allow people to get in touch with Kate, and there's a link at the top of every page that connects to Kate's online calendar and allows people to book an introductory session with her at a time that's convenient to them. The text content was provided by Lucy Jackman from Common Sense, and we've organised it into silos of information so there's a clear structure shown via headings, subheadings and blocks of text. This makes the content easy to find and digest for both Kate's human visitors and the Google robots. After a training session with Sophie, Kate's now able to add and edit her own content, and she uses this knowledge to update her blog on a regular basis. So that's it from me. Let me know if you want to find out any more about what was involved in developing Kate's website or discuss your own project. Thanks for watching.